If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective replacement for your thermostat, the Genuine Mopar Thermostat with housing, part number 5184570AJ, is exactly what you need. This thermostat perfectly fits a 2013 Grand Caravan, offering the same high-quality performance as the original part. Replacing the thermostat on your own can save you a significant amount of money. One satisfied customer reported saving over $100 by completing the installation themselves, spending just around $35 on parts and supplies. While the product might look slightly different than the original, it fits perfectly and works just as expected once installed. The process is straightforward and takes about 30 minutes, though having an extra pair of hands makes the job even easier. The thermostat comes ready to install, and with the right tools, you can easily remove the old part and replace it without the need for a mechanic. Whether you're looking to save money or just prefer DIY fixes, this Mopar thermostat is an excellent option. Click the link in the description to purchase the Genuine Mopar Thermostat with housing, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more product recommendations.